Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so for today's vlog, oh my god, medyo na-excite po ko ngayon kasi we will doing another credit card unboxing na naman, which is from BDO. Okay, so before I proceed this video, please to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, and TikTok at RayRayNatex. Again guys, if you don't like my contents like this, just exit this video na lang to avoid receiving some negative comments dyan. At kung gusto nyo pa rin akong i-bash, unahan ko na kayo, get out, you're just wasting your time. Okay? Sa mga feeling perfect dyan. But anyways, karagdagan lang guys ha, please bear with me kasi there would be a lot of background noises kasi I don't usually vlog during at day kasi iniwasan ko kasi yung mga ano dyan yung mga sasakyan na dumadaan. I usually film at night, pero kasi may gagawin kasi ako mamaya. I'll just take the opportunity by ano na din, mag vlog na rin sa ngayong hapon. Anyways, so yeah, andito na yung bagong credit card ko from BDO. My apologies din guys kasi medyo natagalan yung pag-receive ko nito kasi I think a week after nung na-receive yung American Express doon sa bahay, tapos medyo natagalan yung pag-receive ko dito sa Visa Signature, but it's okay kasi hindi naman ako nagmamadali and all that. Pero ngayon, ayan, na ano ko na siya. So basically, I'm here in Hawaii right now. And ang nagano sa akin dito, ang courier na nagpadala sa akin dito is DHL. So pinautos ko lang ulit yung sa nanay ko na ano, na ipadala tong bagong credit card ko from BDO to here in Hawaii. So ayan, DHL. Okay, so di na ako magpa-legal-legal pa. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. Okay. Alright, so ito siya. Plain ano lang din. Pero sana naman bonggahan naman nila yung kanilang ano nila, envelope nila. But it's okay. I don't mind. And then dito yung ano ko, name, tsaka yung address sa Pilipinas. So yeah. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong courier yung nagpa-deliver sa akin ng itong ano, yung Visa Signature. By the way guys, before I forget, meron din akong another credit card with BDO. That's American Express Platinum Credit Card. So, it's one of your contents here in my YouTube channel. So, hanapin nyo na lang. Bale guys, since this is my second credit card with BDO, shared yung kanilang credit limit. I know sa ano previous vlog ko, I mentioned na ayoko magkaroon ng credit card na nag-share lang yung credit limit. But for this one, maybe I just don't mind at all na. Okay? Basta ayun lang kasi syempre I don't care at all with video. Ayun. So yeah, nabuksan na natin yung plastic and all. And then here we go. Yan. Try natin siyang buksan dito kasi gusto ko talaga yung binubuksan siya dito eh. Pero kung hindi man, ayun, guguntingin ko na lang. Pero so far, I can open it right here. Yan. And oh my god. Here it is. Oh! So, ito na siya. Ano yung nakikita nyo dito? So, it's BDO Visa Signature. Oh my God! So, ayan na siya guys. Ayan, BDO. Your signature journey begins here. So, ayan. Andito yung name ko. Wait lang. Mamaya, sige. Ganito na lang. Mamaya, papakita ko lang yung physical card. So, yeah. Basically, wow, ito na. Pasensya na guys. Medyo Happy lang talaga ako sa bagong credit card din naman. Pero actually wala pa akong nakikitang content creator na gumagawa ng ganitong yung video visa signature. Like wala pa ako nahanap. I believe ako pala yung nakaano nito. So ayan na siya. BDO. Yan. So bali guys I won't go over to share ko ano yung mga benefits nito and privileges and all that. Basahin niyo na lang siya and pause for a moment para mabasa ninyo. So ayan siya. Ayan. So as you can see guys, you can earn up to 3% rebate on overseas and airline spends, and 0.3% on everything else. Enjoy up to 2,500 rebate monthly. Okay, that's great. And then ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, yung low foreign transaction fee. Sorry guys sa background noise. Ayun, it's 1.70 foreign exchange conversion fee niya. So basically, since Visa kasi ito, mas maganda yung binibigay nilang rate compare sa Mastercard, which is sabi ng mga expert dyan sa credit card. So ayan. And then up to 20 million travel insurance coverage. That's great. Charge your airline and other transportation tickets to your card and explore the world without worries. O diba, may travel insurance ka pa up to 20 million pesos. So that's great. And then complimentary airport lounge. So get access to over 1,600 VIP airport lounges worldwide with priority pass. So basically meron akong complimentary priority pass membership na naman. So this is the third one na. I already have na dun sa RCBC and then sa East West, and then I have another priority pass na naman dito sa BDO. So basically yung priority pass nila dito, I think meron siyang 2 free lounge access per year. That's great na rin. And then afterwards, I think I need to spend 50,000 pesos. Correct me if I'm wrong. In order for me to waive the fee whenever I get access. Pero syempre meron siyang free access for for at least hanggang 2 times lang. Sorry guys kasi may tumawag but anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And then yung credit limit ito is actually shared dun sa American Express Platinum ko. Nasa 500,000 pesos lang din. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Wait lang. Takpan ko lang. Ayan. 500,000 pesos yung aking credit limit. Okay, so let me just see muna kung ano yung mga bagay na hindi ko pa nasasabi dito. So meron din silang Visa Concierge services, so that's great. If you guys watch my previous video ko, yung top 3 best credit cards ko, isa yung sa pinakarason kung bakit gusto ko yung mga ganitong credit card it's because meron silang concierge services. Like meron akong personalized service on demand and to get access for do sa dining, sa travel, tsaka sa mga lifestyle privileges. Like say for example, kapag dun sa airplane, pag gusto mo sa window seat ka, you can have access with Visa Concierge. Yung mga ganung bagay. So yun yung gusto ko. And then so yeah, may annual fee tong credit card na to. So it's 5,500 pesos, but you can actually waive it if you spend 1 million pesos per year. So 'di ba, medyo masakit sa part, pero for me, para sa akin lang naman to guys ha. Hindi ko kasi siya masyadong tinitignan yung annual fee tinitignan ko lang is how much yung value yung nakukuha ko dito sa credit card na to, especially sa mga usage and all that. Minsan pa nga hindi ko na namamalayan na na nire-reverse na pala nila yung annual fee. So that's how I do my thing, guys, ha. I don't know kung na-apply din yung sa iba dyan and all that. Yeah, hindi ko naman masyadong tinitignan yung yung annual fee nito. So that's great. For me lang naman, ha. Let me know if you don't agree with me. Anyways, meron din silang e-commerce purchase protection. That's great. And then Visa Signature exclusive privileges. Like, meron akong premium dining, travel, and lifestyle benefits for both in the Philippines and here in abroad. So, that's great. Minsan pa nga, mabibigyan pa nila ako ng at least 10, sorry, hindi siya 10, up to 50% off sa mga restaurants dyan and all that. That's great. And then, meron din silang dual currency billing option for this credit card. Ayan. Pero for me, hindi ko na lang i-activate yung dual currency kasi first of all, mahihirapan lang din ako magbayad ng US dollar since I'm here in the US, and in order for me to pay it in US dollar, I need to go to the physical branch mismo. Yun yung medyo con for me. So I don't think activate ko tong feature na tong dual currency in both Philippine peso and US dollar. So basically, I just have it in Philippine pesos na lang. So that's great. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa vlog na to. Again, guys, sorry. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, just exit this video. And all. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. So, peace for now.